Shown here is the interior door panel. You will need to remove the door lock pull, purple arrow, the SRS trim piece, yellow arrow, the door pull trim piece, red arrow, and the footwell light, blue arrow, not shown, to get to the seat controls. Begin by removing the door lock pull. It unscrews counterclockwise. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the cover of the pull handle, yellow arrow. With the handle off, use your T27 torque and remove the 2 screws inside the handle, yellow arrows, securing it to the door. Next, using your trim removal tool, remove the trim SRS trim piece located on the panel below the lock. Use a T20 torque and remove the screw behind this piece. There is a small footwell light under the map pocket that you can gently pry out with your trim removal tool and then disconnect the wires, yellow arrow. You will need to remove the small triangular shaped piece at the top front of the door that holds the speaker. Insert your trim removal tool at the top by the glass and pop it out. It will slide forward as you remove it. Disconnect the wires from the speaker, yellow arrow. There are 7 clips that hold the panel to the sides and bottom of the door. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the panel away from the door, yellow arrow. If your door panel has never been removed, it may take a little bit of force. Moving to the top of the panel, gently insert your trim tool and pry the door panel up and away from the door, yellow arrow. With the panel off, you need to remove the pull cable for the handle. Slip the metal end out of the cable from the handle, yellow arrow, then gently extend the cable and slip it out of the channel, red arrow. Unplug the wiring for the seat controls, yellow arrow. Unplug the wiring for the power windows. The power window harness clip slides back and then the whole unit lifts out, green arrow. This photo illustrates the 7 clips that secure the panel to the bottom and sides of the door, red arrow. The seat control module is located in the upper corner by the door handle. The module is covered with a soft membrane to help protect it from moisture and vibration, red arrow. You're going to have to peel this back to get the module out, and there is very little chance you're going to get it off in one piece, as indicated by the red arrow. With the membrane out of the way, there are 4 small plastic clips, red arrows, 3 shown, that hold the module in place. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the unit from the door. The unit is sealed and needs to be replaced if not working. Yellow arrow shows the electrical connection and the red arrows show the clips. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.